Hello friends, welcome to Sql Query. Today we can check how to insert or update delete data through view. So we had two tables, country and customer. Country contains country ID and name, and the customer table contains customer ID, name, SaleAmount, and the country ID for key. Okay, so we can just create a one small view. Okay, that is a single base table view. In just create view name, select the star from custom. Okay, just execute this query. Now now views are created. We want to insert data through this view. Okay, so this is the view. This is the base table. So we will insert the data. It will store to this base table. Okay, then try to insert into view name. You can give the values. Okay, they are just passing customer ID 6, name Mira, and SaleAmount and CountryId 1. Okay, just execute this query. Data inserted. You can just go through the table. So the customer ID 6 is inserted now. Okay, so this view contains only a single table only. Okay, we want to update this data. SaleAmount equal to 3,800 and CountryId equal to 2. Okay, where the customer ID is equal to 6. So we want to update this row. So here we can use update view. Okay, just execute one row affected. Just check the table. Now data are updated. The sale amount is 3,800 and CountryId 2. Correct. We want to delete this customer ID 6. Okay, so delete from view name where customer ID is equal to 6. Just execute this. One row affected. You can just go through that table. Now customer ID 6 is deleted. Okay, so this is only for one single base table only. Okay, we can just check with multiple tables. Okay, so in this case we are creating one other view. Just join the customer table and country table through CountryId and just display the data. Okay, here we are displaying the customer ID and customer name, SaleAmount, and country. Okay, we can just create this view. So this view contains two base tables. This is the customer table and this is the country table. We are joining this data, right? So this view contains two base tables. Okay, just execute this view. We are getting all data: customer ID, customer name, SaleAmount, and country name. The related country name. Okay, we want to insert data to this view. Okay, so we can given the insert into view name and values. Here we are given the customer ID, name, SaleAmount, and country name. Okay, so this is for different tables. Base table is different, right? We can just go to this insert statement, just execute this query, then it will not happen because it is not updatable because it will affect multiple base tables. Okay, so it will not insert. Okay, Otherwise, we are using the single base table. Just imagine we are insert through this view customer ID, customer name, and SaleAmount. These are related to the customer table. Okay, we are just inserting customer ID, name, and SaleAmount. Okay, country we are passing none. Okay, we are not passing. Just execute this query. Now it is inserted. Okay, you can just check that table. Now customer ID 6 is inserted. Okay, that country ID is none. So it will affect only for one base table. So that time it will work. Okay, it will affect for multiple tables. Then it will we cannot insert through view. Okay, same thing we can check in update also. Here we are using update view set. We want to change this 4000 to 3800, and we want to change the mirror to 30. Okay, where customer ID is equal to 6. Just execute this. So the sale amount and customer name, this is affecting for customer table, right? And just execute. Varchar affected. So customer name change it to 30 and the sale amount is 3,800. Okay. This we are trying to update the multiple base tables. Sale amount, customer name, and country name. This country name is related to this country table, right? Country table. So in that time we will try to insert the table. Okay. It is not updatable because the modification will affect multiple base tables. Okay. Now we want to try to delete this data, view data. Okay. And also it is not, and let's see, it will not it is not updatable. It will affect multiple base tables. Okay. Okay. Thank you guys. Please subscribe.